it's Komori, and today we're going to be making the pants for the Boku No Hero Academia gym uniform. Even though I'm making this for Ochako, you could use it for any of the Boku No Hero characters since they all wear the same gym uniform. And for the pattern, we're going to be using cut sew number 33. And for the fabrics, I'm going to be using a interlock that I got in both blue and white from my local Joann's. Since I'm pretty short, before I do any cutting of the fabric, I held the pants pattern up against me and then decided to trim off 4 inches from the bottom of the pattern so that it'll fit me a bit better, and I also wrote the information from the pattern onto the little piece that got cut off just so that I know what it goes with should I need to add it back on at a later date. Cut 2 of the front pant pieces out of the blue fabric, then we're going to cut 2 of the white stripes for the front. The pattern, since it's not officially licensed, it's not exactly the same as the Boku No Hero uniforms, so the uniforms in the show only have the white stripe on the front, so we're only going to cut 2 and only put them on the front. But we're going to take the piece and we're going to fold the edges on either side so that there are no raw edges showing. And now we're going to sew them to the front of the pants along either side. Next, we're going to put right sides together, and we're going to sew the 2 front pieces together along the crotch seam. Sew the 2 back pieces along the crotch seam as well. Sew the back of the pants to the front along the side seams. Then sew the pants together along the inner leg seam. Fold the waistband in half and sew it together along the side. Fold the waistband again and sew along the edge, leaving a gap open so we can insert the elastic. Thread the elastic through the waistband, then sew the 2 ends together. Pull the elastic back into the waistband and sew the hole closed. Sew the waistband to the top of the pants, and we're going to top stitch along the edge to keep it in place. Finish the edges of the pant legs with a rolled hem. And with that, the gym uniform pants are done. For more videos on how to make the rest of the costume, please subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.